How to improve Android camera quality. So here's the trick, here's the solution. Here's the thing we can do. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any search engine, or any browser you prefer. So I'm using Google Chrome. I'll open it. After opening Google Chrome, search for iOS camera. After searching, go to Softonic official website, en.softonic.com. Open it. Scroll down a bit until you find Camera for iPhone 13 Pro. Click on Pre-download for Android. If the ad appears, click on the Close option and just wait. So first of all, you need to install XAPK installer. Install with XAPK installer. Your download is started. Download it. Go to Detail. First of all, install the XAPK installer. You must need to install XAPK installer to install the camera app. Click Done. Go back to the page and click on Free Download. Download has started. You can see com.camera for iPhone.hd camera 47.0.xapk. Download it. Go to Details. Wait for download to finish. Got it? Open XAPK installer. Click Allow. com.camera for iPhone. Click on Install. Go to Settings. Install unknown apps. Allow XAPK installer. Allow from this source. Go back. Click on Install the Beauty Camera. App is installed. Click on Open. Set your preferred language. I'll go for English. Skip the tutorial. Low. Low. Low again. So here you can see the cam is installed. Click on HDR. Congrade mode. Con reduction. You can zoom it. All some hard wasn't getting here. Third, second, first. We can go with Pro. And here you can adjust its brightness. White wellness. Exposure. The focus. Also you can go for setting. Set the picture quality to high. If that. Focus and shoot. Preview photo if you want to. You can add shutter sound. Floating camera button. That's it. This is how you can install a better camera for your Android phone. I hope this video helped. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for more feature updates. Thanks for watching.